Welcome back. In the previous video, we've downloaded and installed Buildbox. If you haven't done that, go to the previous video and do that before you continue with this video. And in this video, we'll be creating our new game. If you haven't launched Buildbox, launch it. And once you have Buildbox launched, in the top left corner, you'll have the option of Create New. And we'll click on Create New. Once we do that, we get these three options that we can use to create our new game. We can create our new 2D game, our 3D game, or we can use a wizard to create our game. For our first game in this series, we're going to use a 2D game. So go ahead and click Create 2D Game. And this is how our new 2D game looks like. So the view that you see right now is called a mind map. And this is the graph of how the game will launch. The game will always start from the start. And from the start, it will load our next item, which by default, we have a 2D world connected because we selected to create a new 2D game. And our 2D world has the option of displaying a UI. And later on in this series, we'll show you how to add UI to your game. But for now, let's go and save our new game. And we can do that by going File, Save. And we'll name our game First Game. Click Save. And from now on, whenever we want to save the game, we'll click Ctrl S on PC or Command S on Mac. And that will save our game, or you can go to File and Save. Now we've created a new 2D game and did the initial save. Now we're ready to start building your game. And in the next video, we'll be shown how to add objects or assets into our game.